I just finished editing the first video for this channel and for you, Shauna, because, I don't know, this just seems like a fun thing to try out. More to come. This is a stool. I don't know what I was talking about before. I got a stool. I gotta set this up. Here we are again.
Okay. What do you mean? We never went anywhere. We was here this whole time.
We were. We just needed to
Commercial break.
Yes.
Alright, so we gotta unscrew these. That's how it's gonna be, just like that. I'm gonna unscrew them. Let's have a little gravity.
Over $6,000 on a complete engine rebuild of our truck.
The dealership told me, well, you know, you have to pay for this. I said, no, don't have to pay. Now you need to be a rocket scientist. And when you check engine light,
The hard one.
so show
Put
your
it
car
on
that
top.
it gives
Wait,
the
actually?
protection to female assault victims.
No disrespect, but most victims don't walk in worried up.
I'm not most victims. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. Before you get too comfortable, Captain, can we go someplace a little more private, like your office? Being pleasantry, I'm requesting this interview be conducted under a waiver of immunity.
Friend said we should honor you to make a special present.
So, how was your day,
As a son,
Shauna?
I got a passport because that was like they can hear.
Oh.
So the hard part is
What is that?
Want me to hold something?
I was aroused.
put it on backwards.
And I
How?
remembered every
This
night.
part's supposed to go on first. This part's supposed to go on second. Because this is gonna be in the way when you put it on top.
But then it got rough. And I finally opened my eyes.
This is why you don't screw it in all the way.
If we had another screwdriver, I would be helping, just so you know.
Hold.
I thought you guys went to pick up the doctor. What are you still doing here?
Hold check.
Well, this thing for the next winter.
I hope you can see this.
Your friend ever make good on that present?
Keep
I
holding
haven't
it.
been able to let anyone touch me
Keep
since
holding
the
it.
incident.
How do you explain our injuries?
He doesn't have to. He's the victim. There's a new twist on he said, she said. They couldn't have both been raped.
I know which one is lying.
But at this point, the only person I'm prepared to arrest is Hayes' doctor.
Now, wait.
You know what we did wrong. You know. You probably saw it. You were looking. You were watching. I know you were. You know what we did. And we don't even need to explain it to you. So,
I have no idea.
can you just stop the recording real quick?
Care less about when you give an emergency Botox. We just want to talk.
We did this again.
Dave,
it was
never wrong. Next. Here, you do the next part.
Okay, yes.
I screw the back piece in.
Oh. Wait, wait, I don't know what to wait. There's no
Use the screwdriver to poke the hole. It's a screw hole.
I would show you, but that will just make it immensely harder for me. Turn it back around so I can do it. You just wanted to see for a second. Oh.
Yeah, so you. Dang, Shauna. And future Shauna. Or present Shauna. And past Shauna. There you go. Just shake it, see if it... Not the chair, meant the
Oh.
back piece.
It's good.